All right, let's talk a little bit more about Huawei's new operating system. That is what they spent the majority of their time on. They launched HarmonyOS on the flagship Mate 40. So here's the details you were looking for. So it is going to be on the phones, Mate 40 and Mate X2 smartphones. Official. The Watch Series 3 also gets HarmonyOS, so they're creating an ecosystem. They're going to do the Apple thing. Man, that's ambitious. And the MatePad Pro tablet, that's the one that you talked about. They have, of course, pivoted after U.S. sanctions have hurt their business and made it very hard for them to not only figure out software, but even just hardware trading partners, because there's been restrictions on that. Huawei builds HarmonyOS as an operating system that can work across many internet-connected devices. So that includes smartphones, wearables, and, of course, TVs, which I don't know why I recall that was one of the earliest ones they did. Now, there is a benefit to having one OS across your devices from the manufacturer of the hardware. Apple has proven that. There's an incentive there because things can sort of work together a little more smoothly than the more open-ended OSs like Android or Windows, Microsoft, where you have a number of different hardware manufacturers building devices for that software. It can be a little bit more complicated from a compatibility issue. That doesn't mean it's going to be easy to build in the first place, but if they can achieve such a thing, that will be unique in the marketplace. Here's a quote from Ben Wood, the chief analyst at CCS Insight. HarmonyOS is designed to provide the glue between a growing array of connected devices that Huawei is targeting. Huawei will be hoping that it can follow Apple's lead by having a single software platform that extends in all directions, providing a seamless experience to customers that buy into its ecosystem of products. So, Will, are you saying that Huawei is the next Apple? Is that what you just said to me?
Well, it would be nice to have a competitor as such. You know what I mean? Where everything is just singular. The OS, hardware. Yeah.
So Huawei's the next Apple,
Sure,
signed
yeah.
Willie Do. Wow. Big statements over here.